If you're trying to decide between eToro, Plus500, and XTB, you're not alone. All three platforms are widely used across Europe and beyond, but they're built with different strengths and audiences in mind. Let's break down what each one offers, their pros and cons, and where they might be the best fit, so you can figure out which suits your trading style. First up, let's talk about eToro. eToro has made its name as a social trading pioneer. Its standout feature is Copy Trader, which lets you automatically mirror the trades of experienced investors. Beyond CFDs, eToro also gives you access to real stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies, making it a hybrid platform for both traders and long-term investors. The social feed and community features are great for learning and sharing ideas. On the downside, eToro's spreads can be higher compared to its competitors, and its charting tools aren't as advanced, so if you're a heavy technical trader, you might feel a bit limited. Now let's move to Plus500. Plus500 is a CFD-focused broker built for simplicity and speed. The platform is clean, intuitive, and offers a wide range of instruments, from forex and indices to stocks, commodities, and crypto. It also includes risk management tools like guaranteed stop-loss orders, which can be helpful in volatile markets. But Plus500 has its limits. You can't buy real stocks or ETFs. Research tools are minimal, and the platform doesn't provide much for advanced analysis. In other words, it's a good option for traders who want straightforward exposure to market price movements, but not for those looking to build long-term portfolios. Finally, let's talk about XTB. XTB is known for its Xstation 5 platform, which offers powerful charting tools, fast execution, and a strong educational library. It provides CFDs on forex, stocks, commodities, indices, and crypto, but also allows access to real stocks and ETFs in some regions. That flexibility makes it appealing for both traders and investors. XTB also has a reputation for strong customer service and competitive spreads. Where it can fall short is in its geographic availability of certain features. Real stocks, for example, aren't accessible everywhere, and it may feel more complex for beginners compared to the cleaner, simpler interfaces of eToro and Plus500. So, which one should you choose? If your priority is social investing and being able to copy top traders while also dabbling in stocks, ETFs, and crypto, eToro is the strongest pick. If you want a straightforward CFD-only platform that's simple, fast, and easy to navigate, Plus500 might be the better choice. But if you're looking for a balance of advanced tools, strong education, and the option to trade both CFDs and real assets, XTB delivers the most versatility. In short, eToro is for social investors, Plus500 is for CFD-focused traders, and XTB is for those who want advanced tools with a bit more flexibility. The best choice depends on whether you value community, simplicity, or powerful trading features. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.